So I'm trying to remove a tire. This should do it. Possibly. I'm trying to remove a tire. So far none of this is very effective. I don't even think I tore the tire away from the rim yet. I thought that clamp was going to help. So I pretty much see that the rim's coming off already. I compressed the clamp to it, and then you just take the pry bar. After hours of wrestling with this tire, I kind of figured out the system. I did the other side already, but basically, if you follow this, if you follow what I'm doing, you probably could get this rim off. Keep in mind, it took me a long time, so it's a wrestling match. But I think I figured out the best system to get this tire off, so carefully observe. So first I have this piece of wood. And the brick didn't work out. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this wide crowbar, put my foot down, and put it in the gap. Okay, see? Now this put like this. Okay? So the idea is I got to break the seal around the rim. So I'm going to take this crowbar like this and wedge it in there like this. Take this one out, put the hook in here, and then now gotta pry it. Break the seal off of the rim. I just broke the seal off the rim. Take these other rim, take this crowbar. So basically 3 crowbars, get the rim out. So while this is still in here, you want to try to get the hook in here, and then you got to pry the tire off from this, like this. Take the hook part, get this crowbar out, pry bar, crowbar, whatever. This is if you don't want the rim. I'm just recycling the rim for metal. And I gotta get the tire off because they don't accept rims with tire on it. It's been a hell of a workout though. See? Something that took me hours to figure out, I just did in what? A few minutes.